Hey guys, so I have a huge announcement to make, and that is that I now have my own studio, which is crazy. I have been dreaming about this for so long. Working from home has been such a mess. It's been so hard on me, it's been so hard on my partner, and honestly, I just needed to find a space that I could come and work in, somewhere that could be my own, somewhere that I could go crazy in, somewhere that I could decorate to my heart's content. And I finally found that place about, how many months? About 2 months ago. So I've been keeping this secret for a few months. I finally got the keys a couple weeks ago, and so I really want to show you my space. So be warned, it is a work in progress, okay? There's lots to be done. I also have a lot of random things in it right now that I just took from home to like give myself some more space there. But I'm gonna walk you through the vision, and this will just be a little series, and you guys will help me come along for this renovation. So without further ado, let me show you my studio. This is by the door. You come in and it's just a massive space. Lovely white walls, really tall ceiling, skylights up here, and then we have the mezzanine and more skylights, and we have a kitchen over here as well. So as you can see, orders are starting to come in. I literally have a single chair here so that I can work in here today and have somewhere to sit down. And yeah, so this is it. I'm so excited about the kitchen because I can have coffee. I can do like my kitchen content here as well. And yeah, so this is the space. So the idea is the floor, obviously, as you can see, this used to be like a warehouse space, so there's a lot of stains which I need to get rid of. Let me come here. There are a lot of stains that I need to get rid of. So the floor is going to be like a very light pink. The idea for the studio space is that people are going to be able to rent out as well to use as a studio space, which I'm really excited about. And yeah, so the floor is going to be a very light pink. I'll show you the sample because I actually have those here today. And then yeah, let me show you the rest of the idea. So this space down here is going to be like the living room. So I have a massive rug here that's going to go in the center, couch, you know, coffee table, you know, mirror, those sort of things. Normal kind of, you know, living room space. Then I want to have like photography backdrops up here to come down, but I'm going to cover those because obviously that's not really, you know, aesthetically pleasing for a living room. So the idea is either to have then a box that will cover it so you don't see, or later on to have curtains that will hide it, so that the curtains will be like another wall there, like another statement wall. And I think I'm leaning towards that because it's a way to, one, have a colorful wall there if I want it. I can also move the curtains around when I don't want it and have the white wall, or move the curtains and have the backdrops as well. So yeah, just lots of options. And then this space here will be like the dining area. So I'll get like some dining tables and chairs and stuff and put those there. And then the kitchen, I'm thinking of painting. So like this whole area to paint in like a really cool like terracotta lime wash color, and then have shelves that go there to like open shelves, you know, so that it's like a nice like rustic feel, and then have a like a movable kitchen island here. My fridge is coming, and I need to figure out how to make this space my own, because obviously right now it's quite like generic and boring. And yeah, and then let me show you upstairs, which is so cool. So we go up the stairs and to the mezzanine. So this is going to be my wardrobe space. So the only annoying thing about this is that I can only stand up upright right at the corner, like by the edge. See, like as I go down, I have to kind of like this. So So yeah, so up here will be my wardrobe and where I edit, because I can sit up here. But yeah, like it's a good, decent space. Lots of room. And then I can even shoot from above down to there. So yeah, guys, it's really crazy. Like I literally cried. Because yeah, to be honest, you know, I really am proud of myself. Like it's a massive achievement to have a space like this. Yeah, it's just crazy. So anyway, today I'm here to do some errands. I've got lots of Amazon packages over there that I need to go through, and like this is getting like another flat, you know, like I need a fridge, I need a Hoover, I need all these things that I never even thought about, you know, like me, I was just like, ooh, couches, ooh, colors, all this. And I'm like, oh, I have to buy cleaning supplies and like, you know, cloths and scissors and and tape and like all this stuff that like, you know, it adds up after a while. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna take you along for that. We'll go through some packages and we'll see what's happening. So I wanted to show you like how big the space is. So like, it's crazy. Like, it's so big. It's just wild. So I've got a bunch of packages here that I need to go through. So, you know, let's. Oh, so she got those. So we've got a lot of these, which is really cool. So even more packages just came as well. So let's open those. So random. So it's like that.
Oh, that's cool.
Right? So this is not what I signed up for. What the heck? I'm trying not to turn on the heating so that I'm not using too much electricity. So I've made myself my first cup of tea at the studio, which is very cute. Yeah, wasn't ready yet. So I've been really excited about this delivery from H&M. I'll show you what I thought it was going to be, and I really thought it was going to be bigger. So it's this pedestal. It's still like, it's really cute, but it's tiny. I really thought that it was going to be like here, like a big pedestal. So I don't know what I should do with it. I'm going to keep it, but I definitely need something bigger. This is why you should measure things first. Hey guys, so I have been here for 6 hours and I'm exhausted. So I wanted to show you some pieces that I got in. So I got this insane lamp at that vintage spot that I need to tell you guys about. It's so cool. And then I got this like rice paper lamp, and then that is the H&M thing that I was disappointed in. But I realized that my paint color is actually quite similar to this, a bit more white, but I'm gonna show it to you against the white so that you can see. So it's like a very light pink is what I'm planning to do the floor.
What's cool is these are the original printing plates for the cover. Oh, so you've got all the four colour printing plates.
Wow.
Can you see?
Oh wow.
So that's the actual plate.
So look at
That's
the slab.
what's cool about it.
That's really
Yeah.
cool.
Isn't that brilliant? So you can see it. You can see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, everything's like pretty tidy. I'm so exhausted. It's actually been quite a long day because I also had to do a bunch of content and edit it while I was here. So like in between me doing stuff at the studio, I was also preparing content. So yeah, I'm pretty exhausted now. So I'm just packing away so that when I come tomorrow, I can walk into a nice, clean studio. Okay, so I just finished at the timber store, and they didn't have any of the wood that I needed for the shelves, but I'm gonna go back on Saturday and see what they have then. I got some painting supplies because we are gonna be painting very soon. And yeah, this is crazy, it's all coming together. It's gonna take a little while, there's so much to do. But yeah, I am going to stop the vlog here because I've done quite a bit already, and I want to come back for part 2, show you guys some more. Next time we'll be painting, we'll be getting some more furniture, and yeah, I'm just really excited to, you know, take you on this journey with me. I'm really proud of myself. It's a big deal to have my own space, and yeah, we'll be back soon with part 2.